Hi, welcome to PureMart. This is Sahil Verma, founder PureMart. Today I'll be discussing on the benefit of the Shilajit and how it is collected and how to test the purity at home without going to the lab. You can easily check at your home. So I'll be discussing on few points how adulterated market is created for the Shilajit and how exactly you can test the same at your home. So Shilajit is basically a resin which is collected, which is a mineral deposit which is collected from the higher regions of Ladakh and Nepal and some parts of Russia also. But the resin which is collected from Ladakh is of the very high value, which is rich in fluoric acid. And fluoric acid is one of the essential mineral which our body requires to regenerate our bones, and the minerals which are missing from our water nowadays due to RO and UV water filters. So हमें 10 साल से ज़्यादा हो गया प्योरमार्ट में शिलाजीत को सेल करते हुए, और बहुत सारे कंज्यूमर्स ये क्वेश्चन पूछते हैं कि सर जब शिलाजीत हमने ली आपसे और उसकी एक तार नहीं बन रही है और ये ओरिजिनल नहीं है. सो फॉर दोज व्यूअर्स आई वांट टू क्लैरिफाई देयर इज़ नो क्लिनिकल सिग्निफिकेंस बिहाइंड दिस कि उसके पीछे कोई तार बननी चाहिए, बिकॉज दीज आर द मिनरल डिपॉजिट्स, और मिनरल डिपॉजिट्स का तार से कोई संबंध ही नहीं है. सो देर आर फ्यू सिंपल स्टेप्स विच यू कैन ट्राई एट योर होम, और उससे आपको समझ आ जाएगा कि ये शिलाजीत प्योर है या नहीं. वन इज़ डिज़ोल्यूशन टेस्ट, कि जब आप इतना सा मात्रा में शिलाजीत को लोगे और उसको अपने गर्म पानी में मिक्स करो या दूध में मिक्स करोगे, वो पूरा डिज़ोल्व हो जाना चाहिए. देयर शुड नॉट बी एनी सब्सटेंस विच स्टेज आफ्टर डिज़ोल्विंग. तो अगर वो स्टे करता है तो इट मीन्स इट इज़ इम्प्योर. एंड द सेकेंड पार्ट इज़ कि if I am saying that this is a mineral deposit, so minerals cannot burn, right? So if you try to burn mineral, so what will happen? So that's the magic which I want to show you in this video. Shilajit is often mixed with tar and plastics. So be aware, जहाँ से भी आप खरीद रहे हो ऑथेंटिक है, ऑथेंटिक सर्टिफिकेशन अवेलेबल है, फूड लाइसेंस है उनके पास, एंड दे आर द मैन्युफैक्चरर्स. ये चीज़ें ध्यान में रखिए. और शिलाजीत को सबसे पहला इम्पॉर्टेंट टेस्ट, जब आप कभी भी कहीं से ख़रीदें तो उसको चेक कीजिए कि जब आप उसको बर्न कर रहे हो वेदर इट इज़ मेल्टिंग एंड पोरिंग डाउन, जस्ट लाइक आप प्लास्टिक को आग लगाते हो तो उसके ड्रॉप्स नीचे गिरेंगे. इफ़ इट इज़ हैपनिंग इट मीन्स योर शिलाजीत इज़ नॉट प्योर. एंड सी द मिरेकल when I do the matchstick test with this Shilajit. I've just taken this with my fork and I'll just now try to show you with the matchstick what the magic will happen. See, we are burning this and it is not melting. In fact, it's going above, right? So it means these are lightweight minerals which cannot be burned, and if you try to burn they will go up in the air, they will not dissolve. So this is one of the best tests. There are few another points which I want to touch in this video. Many people ask whether who can drink Shilajit, whether my old mother can drink, father can drink, my wife can drink or not. So let me clarify. The Shilajit is a very basic ingredient which is digestible with everyone. The only person who need to care about taking Shilajit and needs a doctor advice is the patient who is suffering from any heart ailment. अगर वो कोई हार्ट की दवाई खा रहे हैं या उनका हार्ट ब्लॉकेज था या सर्जरी हुआ है, because there are some medicines which interacts with the human body when you are taking those medicines and Shilajit together. So you need to consult your doctor before taking Shilajit in that instance. Otherwise it's very good to use. Even a 10-year-old kid can take, and if you take it as a regular supplement it's very good for them, because right now we are not getting all the minerals in our body. So Shilajit overcomes everything and it removes all the toxins from your body and also give you full energy to boost your bones, immunity. So that's it for now. So I'll be coming up again with another product, another video, and creating such more insightful videos so that all the myths can be taken away. Thank you. Have a nice day.